Let me know where you'd visit in Gran Canaria or Puerto Rico for a full English breakfast. Let me know in the comments, do you go for red sauce, do you go for brown sauce? Put it in the comments now. So hot. Right, so our next stop today is Tiffany's Welsh Bar, where we've been previously. I've had breakfast here twice before, I've had drinks here before. What do you think? Look at all that meat, by the way. Insane, unbelievable. And do you know what? I'm gutted I never ate here last time now. Right, so in Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria, there's basically the top of the hill and the bottom of the hill. Now, last time that we came, we literally stayed at the bottom of the hill. We stayed at Puerto Rico Shopping Center. Now we've came to the top, which is Europa Shopping Center. Morning everyone, so here we are in sunny Gran Canaria, and we're not far away from Puerto Rico, where we came last time, myself and Yorkshire Indian. Now we've came back because we loved it that much last time. We loved the food here, we loved the prices, dirt cheap. We had good full English breakfast, we had good food as in steaks, I think we had a decent Indian as well. So we're going to come back, we're going to review as many places as possible, show you as much as Gran Canaria, Puerto Rico area as we can. This time is a little bit different for me because Yorkshire Indian actually booked our apartments. Usually it's me and I like to take control of all that. But honestly, after seeing this place, he can book it every single time. Isn't that right, Bobby? Let me know where you'd visit in Gran Canaria or Puerto Rico for a full English breakfast. Let me know in the comments, do you go for red sauce, do you go for brown sauce? Put it in the comments now. Right, so we are here at Mau restaurant in Puerto Rico Shopping Center, the one that's at the bottom of the hill, not the top. I know that sun's a bit blinding there, let me see if I can turn it around a bit. And there was a big sign just outside here saying mega breakfast, €7.50, standard breakfast, $6.50. So we've gone for our jumbo breakfast. And there she is, 2 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 sausage, beans, no tomato, no hash brown, some lightly grilled or toasted toast. And then we ordered a cup of tea each on the side. So I'm just with Yorkshire Indian. Morning. Let me know in the comments, do you go for red sauce, do you go for brown sauce? Put it in the comments now. For me, it's red. So there's only one more thing to do, and that's dig in to my double breakfast, my jumbo breakfast for $7.50. But I am questioning, where's my black butter and where's my hash brown, where's my tomato? Considering Spain is a country that loves pork, them sausages for me are like Asda sausages, you know, the very, very cheap ones, cafe style sausages. Let's move on to the bacon. Smoky bacon, crispy. You know, it's surprising how many people don't do smoky bacon. For me, it's a game changer. You know, is it a jumbo? I wouldn't really call it a jumbo. It's bigger than the standard. Is it worth $7.50? All day long. Any complaints with it? No, it's cooked perfect. Love the bacon. Clean, sausage could be upgraded. But yeah, not a bad brekkie for the price. Let me know where you'd visit in Gran Canaria or Puerto Rico for a full English breakfast. We've left vacation apartments. We got a taxi down to Puerto Rico, which was about €6 to €7, so about £6. We've had breakfast at Mau. Breakfast at Mau.
Puerto Rico Shopping Center.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And now we're at one of our favourite places where we spent most of the last visit, which is Murphy's Irish Pub. It's got the biggest screen here ready for the World Cup. It's got the biggest seating area outside where you sat in the sun. And now let me show you this. They're also extending. Nice breakfast there, Bobby. Let me show you where they're extending. Hello, mate. All right. So look, so this is Murphy's, how it was before, but there's actually more tables here now as well. And if you go through, next door it used to be a sushi place next door. It's not now. It's going to be Murphy's. And after that, the next two is also going to be Murphy's. So massive refurb going on now. The Chinese is down there as well. Wok Chinese for the buffet we went last time. And the next time that we come, I'm sure this will be all done. Going to sit, enjoy the sunshine, promote sunnygc.com, the new magazine out here in Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria. Now I'm going to sit, enjoy a fireball with Yorkshire Indian and a Magners for breakfast number 2. Chin chin. So hot. Right, so our next stop today is Tiffany's Welsh Bar, where we've been previously. I've had breakfast here twice before, I've had drinks here before. The breakfast was one of the best full English breakfasts that I've had in Puerto Rico. I'm still with Yorkshire Indian.
Can you use AI to make this look like a pint?
Done. Ba-ding!
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
We're just talking now about running up these steps here, these steps. And I'm saying, I could not do that. Definitely not do that. But Bobby's telling me he can run, run up and down 10 times.
No, I've done it.
Shut up, mate. Shut up.
If you Google, have you recorded? If you Google
Recorded it,
Trailblazer, there's a guy, friend of mine, Anthony Newby, and he does the 166 devil steps or steps in Armley that he does.
Yeah.
And he takes classes there, teaches them how to run up, run down. He can run up. He bloody bunny hops them like 2-3 steps at a time all the way up.
Very good,
but yeah,
mate.
steps is a big part in training.
My training is chun.
Shots.
What do you think? Look at all that meat, by the way. Insane, unbelievable. And do you know what? I'm gutted I never ate here last time now. Right, this is Murphy's Kitchen in Puerto Rico, in Gran Canaria, or Puerto Rico, like Bobby says. Yorkshire Indian sat there.
Puerto.
So he's going to sit there having his masala shots. I'm going to sit, I'm going to have a can of Coke, and then I'm going to get a nice steak pie as well. Now, the last time that we came here, they said it was, oh, try your pie. But you know what? This time, I'm definitely 100% going to try it. Now, it's very hot over here. You all know the heat in the Canary Islands 12 months of the year is ridiculous. So let's wait for my meal, see what it's like. Let's review it. What a pie, homemade, pastry on top, plenty of meat there, mashed potato and gravy. That is a proper British pie. And there's only one thing left to do, and that's to dig in. Oh, pastry on the bottom as well. Listen, I can't believe
How much meat?
how much meat is in that pie. What? Meat. Bit of mash, bit of gravy. Right hot. Oh, that is proper home from home cooking. Now, you can't fake that stuff. You can't fake a proper British pie. And they've nailed it. Murphy's Kitchen, Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria, well played. Price wise, what was it about? Was it €12, something like that? I said I could have had veg, I could have had beans, you know, as Northerners love a bit of beans with it. You know, when you have the inside soggy pastry, crispy on the outside, that is exactly how that is. Well played, Murphy's Kitchen. So good. What do you think? Look at all that meat, by the way. Insane, unbelievable. And do you know what? I'm gutted I never ate here last time now. It's like a steak. It's not just a steak pie, it's a steak in a pie. Do I recommend it? 100%. 100%. Right, so in Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria, there's basically the top of the hill and the bottom of the hill. Now, last time that we came, we literally stayed at the bottom of the hill. We stayed at Puerto Rico Shopping Center. Now we've came to the top, which is Europa Shopping Center. Now, there is loads of souvenir shops, clothes shops, you know, fake ones, real ones. Food prices seem to be very reasonable. There's an outdoor area down that way. Really good outdoor area for kids and things like that. So definitely pay Europa Center a visit if you visit Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria. Right, so we're at San Francisco Steakhouse in the Europa Center at Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria. And we've got a large beer now. This is the most expensive large beer that we've had at €3.75 euros. Not €2 like most places, not 160, 180 like some places. It's not even 250, it's 3.75. And this is San Francisco. But to be fair, it is a steakhouse, it is a restaurant, and it is hot, we need a beer. But it's ice cold. Right, so obviously I've chose the food from the $14.95 menu, the specials menu from the daytime. And you can get a mix of starters if you want. You can have a starter like garlic bread, Canarian potatoes, which I've gone for, we're in Gran Canaria, prawns, tomato soup, seafood soup, salad or onion rings, there your choice of starters. And your mains, you've got a choice from some spaghetti bolognese, steak with sauce, that's what I've gone for. Chicken breast, grilled fish, grilled pork, I was going to go for pork chops, a scallop, chicken scallop or half roast chicken, ham and cheese omelette. You can't put an ham and cheese omelette on there. How can you compare ham and cheese omelette to a steak on the same menu? Nuts. So $14.95 San Francisco Steakhouse in the Europa Center, Gran Canaria. $3.75 or $3.95 a pint, I can't remember. Let's check it out. So Bobby's gone for what? Chili prawns?
Prawns in chili oil. Garlic and chili oil.
And these are the Canarian potatoes. So Canarian potatoes, there they are. They are boiled in either seawater or salt water to the point where the water fully evaporates. The potatoes become wrinkly, create an outer coating on the potatoes, giving it a really salty flavour, and then they're added mojo sauce goes on top. Mojo can come in red or green. This one's red, which usually means spicy. Oh, can I try some of your garlic?
Okay.
Bit of Bobby's garlic. That was helps with the potatoes, mate. See-through glass-like plate. Steak is on there. There's the mushroom sauce, chips, salad, plenty of sauce on there, and a little fancy dressing too. But the only way we can test it is to dig in and try it. Now I've gone for a steak. The Yorkshire Indian's gone for a steak too, with a peppercorn sauce. And I've gone for a mushroom sauce. I'm not a big lover of spice. For $14.95, is there any real complaints with a starter and dessert? Of course there isn't. But it is a very cheap meal. So remember that when you're talking about the quality. When you go to steakhouses, you can get a sauce. Any good sauce can cover up any steak. But for me, it's a 6.5 out of 10. San Francisco Steakhouse at the Europa Center in Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria. We're eating it, aren't we? We're eating it. We're hungry, we're eating it. Another place to review. Would I try it again? Yeah, of course I would. There's a cheap menu on.